Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a story. I think it's very interesting. Now, please listen carefully. She used to be addicted to heroin. Do you think you're better than her? I don't know what you're like, but I know she's wonderful. I've been cutting her hair for the past 2 years. Since he quit heroin. Her hair used to fall out almost completely. Her body was also very thin and tired. She thought she could never be beautiful again. And then something wonderful happened to her. She found a new job. She sells food at the market for the poor. And it was that job that helped her rediscover joy in life. She realized that there were many people in society who were suffering and lacked food more than she did. She chose the job of selling food to the poor at very low prices. This job has made her feel happier and more fulfilled. And then she quit using heroin completely. Don't you think she's amazing? No longer as tired as before. Her hair has grown back. Although not very pretty, my hair is still thin and dry. Can you guess what kind of haircut I'm giving her? Absolutely, I'm giving her a classic bob haircut. It will make her hair look fuller, shinier, and softer. Please don't ask me what cutting technique I'm using to cut her hair. It's really simple. If you're a barber, have you ever cut hair like mine? With this classic bob haircut, her hair will look shinier. Hair looks fuller, healthier, and shinier. I have many more stories I want to tell you. But maybe next time. Now I'm going to focus on cutting her hair. See you next time. Remember to follow me and share my videos. Thank you. Thank you.